Are you or someone you know looking for a brand new home offering first floor living, home automation options, and a lock and go lifestyle? If so, we invite you to explore the HHHunt Homes Clarity Collection in Virginia and North Carolina. The Clarity Collection by HHHunt Homes offers two distinct home styles: single-family detached homes and townhomes. Both styles strongly emphasize first-floor living with spacious open-concept areas. More and more home buyers are seeking home plans that include primary rooms on the first floor. This is because they offer ample space for entertaining friends and family and enjoying everyday living. The expansive kitchens include large islands, plenty of cabinetry, stainless appliances, and pantries. Also on the first floor, you'll find your primary suite. This suite not only offers a lot of space, but includes a walk-in closet and private bathroom. During the home building process, you can choose options like dual vanities, zero-entry showers, and convenient home automation selections. Other features on the first floor of our Clarity Collection homes include 1 or 2 car garages, laundry rooms, and flex spaces or additional bedrooms. Many Clarity Collection homes offer second floors with additional bedrooms, bathrooms, and flex spaces. These options are fantastic for multi-generational households or home buyers that want to provide guests with their own separate living space. Outdoor living has become a top priority for home buyers, which is why most of our Clarity Collection homes offer covered, open, or screened-in porches. Options include outdoor fireplaces, TV connections, and outdoor ceiling fans. At HHHunt, it's how you live that matters, and we are excited to offer home choices designed for you.